You're watching Awaken with Yoga with Rosalie DeLario. Welcome to my Chakra 4 mini class, the heart chakra. Located in the center of the chest, this chakra is all about love and unity. We're going to start kneeling on the mat. Go ahead and inhale. And as you exhale, we're going to start a seated cat and cow. So go ahead and bring those hands to the knees. Exhale, round the spine back. Inhale, bring those arms behind you to the mat, and you're going to reach that chest up to the sky. Go ahead and exhale again, round through the spine, hands on the knees, really exaggerating the movement. Inhale, arms swing behind you on the mat, heart to sky. One more, exhale, hands on knees, round through the spine. Inhale, arms reach back, heart to sky. Beautiful. Okay, we're going to come onto our hands and knees for a regular cat and cow. So go ahead and inhale, we're going to drop the tummy, gaze looks up. Exhale, round through the spine, arching up like a cat. Inhale, drop the belly, gaze up. Exhale, round through the spine, really feeling each vertebra. One more, inhale. Exhale, round the spine up. Come to your neutral spine. And go ahead and just bring that right leg up to the front. So we're going to come into a low lunge position, right leg to the front. Bring those arms all the way up to the sky. We're going to exhale, cactus arms. As you inhale, drop the hands to the mat. Go ahead and flex that right foot and lean forward. Beautiful. Come back to your low lunge. Exhale, cactus arms. Inhale, reach forward, straighten that right leg, flex the foot, bend over. One more. Come on up. Exhale into your cactus arms. Inhale, straighten that right leg, flex the foot, round the spine, stretching out that hamstring. Hold it here for a second. One breath. Come back to your low lunge position. Drop the palms in. We're just going to come back to tabletop. Tuck the feet. Come into your downward facing dog. First down dog of the day. You can walk the feet if that feels good, and then just press down into your down dog. Go ahead and look forward. We're going to round into a plank position, work through your optional vinyasa into your up dog, and we'll all meet back at downward facing dog, pressing the palms into the mat. Go ahead and round forward again, come back to tabletop. We're going to bring that left leg forward now. So left leg to the top of the mat. Inhale, exhale, come into cactus arms. Inhale, drop the arms to the mat. Flex that foot. Beautiful. Exhale, cactus arms, looking up to the sky, heart to the sky. Inhale, palms to mat. Straighten the left leg. Flex the foot. Round forward. One more. Come on up. Exhale, cactus arms, heart to sky. Inhale, drop those palms to the mat. Flex that left foot. Straighten the leg. Stretch. Extra breath here. Really feeling that left hamstring. And we're going to come back into that lunge and come back into hands and knees position. Downward facing dog. You can stay here or work through your optional vinyasa into up dog. Take a breath. And then as you exhale, come back into downward facing dog. We'll all meet at downward facing dog. Bend those knees and you're going to hop to the top of your mat. We're going to come into a half lift and then round the spine into your forward fold. Go ahead and just round all the way up. Reach those arms up to the sky. We're going to reach them back down, rounding forward into your forward fold. Half lift, straight spine, forward fold, and then round the arms all the way up to the sky, reach them down. Okay, bring those arms up and over. We're going to bring them down through prayer at heart center. And then just go ahead and bring that right leg over to the back of your mat. So we're going to work into a warrior two position. Left leg is still facing the front of the mat. Right leg is in a parallel position to the side of the mat. And you're going to bend over that left leg. So bring those arms out to parallel, arms out to a T, your warrior two position. Engage through that core. You can look forward or past the left fingertips rather. And just breathe and hold in your warrior two position here. Beautiful. All right, we're gonna bring that right arm up and over, come into your side angle stretch. So your left arm is on that bent knee, right arm is up and over. Really try and reach that chest up to the sky as you inhale and exhale in your side angle position. Nice long line with the right part of your body. Beautiful. Inhale, come back to warrior two. And go ahead and straighten that leg. We're gonna lean forward and bring that left palm to the mat or to your left shin. Your right arm is gonna reach up to the sky. We're opening up into our triangle position. So again, really trying to open up that side body, aiming that heart to the sky, to the ceiling. Inhale and exhale here. Breathe, just relax. Good, go ahead and come on back up. Back to your warrior two position with that bent knee, and we're just gonna come forward, palms on the mat. You're swiveling that back foot. Drop the front foot to meet it, back to your downward facing dog. So you can stay there or work through your optional vinyasa. It's your choice. We are all gonna meet back at downward facing dog on the mat, pressing through the palms, really reaching that chest towards the ground. Beautiful. Look up and hop up to the top of the mat once more. Come up to your half lift, and we're just gonna round the spine down and then reach those arms to the side as you roll up and bring those arms out to the side. Round forward again, forward fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, round the spine. Inhale, all the way back up to the sky. Bring those arms up and bring them down at your side. Inhale, reach the arms up. We're gonna go ahead and just bring those arms through prayer. Warrior two, second side. So your other leg is going to come out now. And we're gonna bring your right leg is going to bend. So knee and foot are in line facing the top of the mat. Your left leg is parallel to the screen. Beautiful. So you're bending over that bent knee, arms out at a T shape. Look out past the right hand, or you can look forward. Just breathe here. Good. Go ahead and drop the right elbow to that bent knee. We're going to bring the left arm up and over. So you're stretching up to the sky, long line through that body. Looking up to the sky, trying to get that chest reaching towards the sky. We're just going to breathe here. Come back to your warrior two, straighten that leg. We're going to lean forward and drop that right arm to your right shin or to the mat. Left arm reaches up to the sky. Look up to the sky. Just breathe here. So reaching that chest to the sky. Again, think of leading with the heart. Go ahead and come back up, and we're going to come back into warrior two for one moment. And then just go ahead and bring those palms to the mat. You're pivoting on that foot. Back into downward facing dog. You can stay here or work through your optional vinyasa, plank to up dog. And then as you take your next exhale, we would meet back at downward facing dog. Beautiful. So just press into the mat with your palms here. Breathe. And we're just going to go ahead and hop to the front of the mat, coming into a kneeling position. Take those feet out in front of you, arms forward, and we're going to slowly round your spine. So really think of engaging through that core as you come all the way down, vertebra by vertebra. Drop those palms down to the floor, to the mat. Bring those knees a little closer to the chest. We're going to come into a bridge. So palms at the side. Go ahead and inhale all the way up so your feet are parallel. Exhale, drop the glutes back to the mat. Feet are hip width apart. Inhale again, rounding through the spine, reaching up with the glutes as high as you can. Exhale, lower glutes to the ground. One more bridge. We're going to inhale, reach the glutes all the way up to the sky. We're going to hold this one here for a moment. So nestle those shoulders underneath your body, and you can bring your hands together and just hold here for a moment, really reaching those glutes up to the sky, reaching the heart up. Breathe. Beautiful. One more inhale. And then just go ahead and separate the arms and exhale. Bring the glutes back to the mat. Go ahead and nestle your spine into the mat. We're going to relax the spine here. We're going to take those legs, knees, and just bring them to the right. So we're going to come into an easy twist here. You can bring your arms out to a T shape. Look up to the sky or look out past your left shoulder. Your knees are facing right. Just breathe here for a moment. Relax your whole body. Let your knees relax gently down to the ground. Inhale, bring those knees back up to the sky, and we're going to exhale and just bring them gently over to the left. You can turn your gaze over to the right or keep your gaze up overhead. Your arms are still at a T shape. So now your knees are left and you're looking up or out past your right shoulder, and just breathe and relax, letting those legs really settle into the ground. Beautiful. Inhale, bring those knees back up overhead. We're going to drop the arms to the side and just go ahead and open up the knees so the feet are together, the soles of the feet together, opening up through the knees into your reclined butterfly. Just go ahead and breathe for a moment here. Let the body relax. Let those knees open as they will. Just breathe. Inhale and exhale. Bring those knees together. We're going to bring the palms on the knees at tabletop. Inhale. And as you exhale, squeeze those knees into your chest. Again, bring those legs to tabletop, knees out away from you. Exhale, squeeze into the chest. One more inhale, knees at tabletop, hands on the top of the knees. Exhale, squeeze those knees into your chest. Beautiful. All right, so we're going to go ahead and just drop the legs all the way down on the mat. So we're opening up into our final pose here, Shavasana, our resting pose, where we allow all of our practice to just marinate, to integrate into our body. Just close your eyes here. Let your breathing come normally and naturally. Just focus on letting your whole body melt into the ground, melt into the earth, really connecting with nature, feeling like you're one with everything around you. Just inhale and exhale. Beautiful. Just let everything go. Go ahead and bring some gentle movement into your fingers, your toes, wiggle them a little bit. We're gonna bring our arms up overhead, just bend those knees, and we're gonna bring the body to one side, so knees bent. You can rest your head on your outstretched arm. Just breathe here for a moment. We're not coming up too fast. Keep your eyes closed, keep your practice and your gaze inward. As you're ready, gently push into the ground, and we're just going to come up into a seated position. Keep that gaze inward if you can. Beautiful. Good. So just keep those eyes closed. We're going to reach those arms up and overhead. They're going to come down through prayer at heart center. And we'll go ahead and say our affirmation here. I am worthy of love. My heart is open. Beautiful. Thank yourself for your practice today. Namaste.